don't see anything.
This is Brian.
And this is Trevor.
And we're going to show you how to graph inequalities. We are going to start with one variable equations. 7x minus 7 is less than 5x plus 5. Now, to graph this one variable equation, you only need a number line. You can plug in 0 to see if 0 makes the equation true. Negative 7 is less than 5, so that is true. So 0 is part of the answers. So you go from negative 7 to positive 5. That's how you graph a one variable inequality.
First off, for graphing two variable equations, you just want to put the equation in as a normal y equals. So we will be doing y equals 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4. And you'll graph that. And then what you want to do is you'll want to put in another one, which is, so what happens is when you're doing inequalities, you have to shade it in. You have to shade part of it in because that's the answer. So the inequality of, if it has a bar underneath, that means it's a not shaded line. I mean, it's not dotted line. It's a solid line, and it'll shade it for you, but you shade it based on what it is. So if y is greater than the equation, then it'll go above the line. If it's less than, it'll go below it, and that's what it should look like.
When graphing a two variable inequality, you just want to start by graphing it as y equals. So I'll do negative 1/2 x plus 2. Now, when you do that, it will be easier to look at it as an inequality. And this one is y is less than negative 1/2 x plus 2. Now, when it's just a less than or equal sign with no bar underneath, that means the line will be dotted because it does not equal the values on that line. Also, since y is less than the equation, you'll shade below the line.